So question 2 now, it says circle the correct answer of the following statement. So we've got a multiple choice question here. And it says 0.2 is the equivalent to either 2%, 20%, 0.2%, 1/5%, or 2/10%. So we've got to be able to convert a decimal to a percentage. And in order to do that, we take the decimal and we multiply it by 100. So we're going to do 0.2 times 100, which is just 20. So the answer is 20%. So you can circle that answer, which is here. Then the next question is 5.4 take away 2.16. And to set this up, we put down 5.4 take away 2.16. We must line up the decimal points and get the units and the tenths and the hundredths lined up. Now we haven't got a number here, so that's just going to have to be a 0. So it's 5.40 instead of 5.4. And if you take away now, you're going to have to borrow. $3.24. So the answer is 3.24, which is here. And then the next one is 5/6 take away 1/3. And the trick here is that you have to make sure that the numbers on the bottom of the fractions are the same. If you're adding or subtracting fractions, the number on the bottom of the fraction has to be the same. So I've got a fraction here, so I'm going to have to make 1/3 and 5/6 the same on the bottom. What I'm going to do is make them both out of 6. Well, the first one's already out of 6, 5/6. And the second one is going to be, if I want to make this out of 6, I'm going to have to multiply it by 2, or multiply both numbers, the top and the bottom, by 2. So the top number is going to be double to 2, and the bottom number is going to be double to 6. So the bottom numbers are the same, and that was the goal. And now we simply take away the top numbers, and the bottom number stays the same. So 5 minus 2 is 3/6. Now, if you look at the options, 3/6 is not an option here, okay? Which means we can't settle for 4/6 because it's closer to the actual answer. That means that one of these is the answer, but we've got to simplify the fraction we have. So 3/6 can be cancelled down to 1/2. Okay, because if I divide this by 3 and divide this by 3, I get 1/2. So the answer is a half, or 1/2, which is here.